What was your experience with the workshop?
Wow. And I think it's an experience that every educator, every mother, every father, every youth, senior, adult should experience. It was very liberating, very empowering. So many times you go to workshops and they talk all about the problem. You know, we come in knowing what the problem is, but this workshop gives you tools to be able to tackle that, to deal with that, to go out and actually share with other people. She gave us tools to share with our family, with our peers. So I really want to take this tool that I've gotten, I received today. It's actually, wouldn't even call it a tool, I'd call it a gift from our ancestors that have placed this passion that this young woman has picked up and now wants to carry out and give to the people in the diaspora to help heal. Because that's the position we got to get in right now, because we're losing our kids. This has to be the last generation that we lose. We can't afford to lose anymore. And so what Dr. Shani is bringing and has created here is really going to help us do that. So I would recommend that any organization, any educational facility, anybody that's working with young Black Americans, and I say Africans, that happen to be living in America, should be engaging in these conversations. They should be engaging in this pedagogy